So you can see this pole saw has seen some pretty rough use. For those of you who haven't seen the video, tearing apart the pole saw and fixing the oil pump, this might help you with some of the things on this video. But I've had some comments and some questions, and people are having trouble finding the replacement chain or the replacement bar. Harbor Freight doesn't carry any replacement parts for this pole saw. So that's what this video is for, to help you find the exact replacement bar and the exact replacement chain that was originally on your pole saw. Although it's a Harbor Freight pole saw, it had the Oregon brand chain and bar, which really made the pole saw pretty good. So even though this pole saw is listed as being 9.5 inch, it actually takes an 8-inch bar and chain. So there's a link down in the description showing you where you can get the Oregon bar and the Oregon chain. Actually, changing it out is quite easy. First of all, we just take off this cap with this single Allen bolt, and this cap just pops off pretty easily. So replacing the chain and the bar is literally just the opposite. But before you put the new bar and chain on, it's highly recommended that you coat the track of the bar and the chain with a special chainsaw grease. That'll keep it from wearing out prematurely before the oil starts flowing around the bar and chain when you first start it. So when you get a nice coating of grease on the bar and chain, I find it easier to put the chain on the bar first and then slide the chain over top of the sprocket, and just put the cap back on and tighten it up. And that's really all there is to it. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and I will see you later in the next video. Take care.